Hello, friends. Welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So I wanted to share with you, as I am putting these together, an idea for a last minute gift. Now, these really, honestly, weren't last minute for me, but it's a pretty easy way to do a last minute gift. So I got these at Michael's about a month ago. When I got them, they were $20 and I used a coupon. I know that I was in there yesterday and they have a ton of these on sale now for like $5. And this time of year, you can get them on sale, these really good ones. So this is nice leather bound, but you can buy, you know, all different price levels of these year round. Now, this one, I got them because it says Dare to Dream on it. And I am using my Cricut Mini, my Cricut Heat Press Mini. And then I'm using a Cricut foil in gold. I did a basic cursive because I want it to match this. I'm going to go in the middle of the Dare. So my middle S there will go right in the middle. I'm going to go up a little bit. And I am just simply going to take this gold foil and I am going to press it on. And I'm using my little mini so that I don't have to touch any other part of the book except what I want to press on. And this font is a basic cursive. Now, I don't normally buy fonts because I do the Cricut Access. So I use font.com and then whatever comes in the Access. However, a long time ago, I had done a project and I did it in the cursive without realizing that it was a purchase and I didn't want to redo it, so I just purchased it. So that one is a purchase. All right, and there's that one. So I am making these for some of my nurses. This strap being up is throwing me off. And I have a couple of these for my nieces also that I'm going to be doing. Now, I like doing things like this because, you know, I've said before, you know, for me, the thing that I feel like is my highest commodity that I have the least of is time. So this gives me the opportunity, you know, when I personalize stuff like this, I'm able to buy a present and also still feel like I'm giving a little bit of my most valuable commodity, which is my time. For me, a person's time means so much more than anything that you can buy. I know that not everybody's like that, but that is how I feel about it. And I'm just, I mean, I can touch the leather. It's not going to hurt it, but I don't want to take a chance of like darkening any spots. So that's why I'm just trying to be really gentle and only touch the pieces that I need. Sorry, I know I'm a little snotty sounding, but this time of year, I always get so congested And especially living in Florida where the weather's on and off, my sinuses are just a mess. And I feel like a nice leather notebook with your name on it is just such a nice gift. There's that one. And here is the last one. This year's a little weird. Like, I feel like there's people that I would normally give gifts to that I didn't this year because I'm not seeing people, you know? It's very weird. It's funny, someone commented on a video that I did this time last year about how 2021 or 2020 was going to be such a great year. I am afraid to say that about 2021 this year. Oh, sorry, I realize sometimes, like, the frame, I'm hoping that you guys saw all that being done. Make sure that you can see that. All right, so yeah, it's just a really cute little last minute gift. And so I like these because, you know, it's got gold around it, gold there. So then I just added the name in gold. And yeah, so listen, I hope that this was helpful, maybe gave you an idea if you needed something last minute. I hope you have a blessed, and beautiful day, friends. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye.